Mhm. Hi, Sarah. Guys, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. I think I'll just jump in. Just help me tap the screen. Penelope, what is happening, eh? What is really happening, Penelope? Yeah. Nice. Wasn't added in the group for science. You should, okay. Just find time to WhatsApp me using the line that I'll give you. All right, Penelope. So, yesterday I made mention that you're going to do second theorem, right? I need to also mention that before I get started. Yesterday we agreed that I'll do second theorem. Unfortunately, there is some changes. There are some changes, and please bear with me. Bear with me. There's a paper that we are solving. We'll be solving, all right? Because there are just some changes that has changed, and just bear with me. I will definitely make it up and just solve that question as we get to progress. Hopefully I'll announce, I'll tell you when. Preferably on Friday or Saturday. Yeah, I don't usually go live on Saturday, but then I need to see if I can accommodate that. Right. Question number 1, are we ready for the paper that we are solving? We'll do it as one, starting from number 1, participate. It will be a bit cruise because we just want to see how many questions we can solve. So time is will help us. All right, so it's 2023. So let me know if you're ready so we can jump in. Are we ready? Just take this one up a bit. Okay, I need my positioning to be okay so that I deliver effectively, no disturbance whatsoever. So question number 1 is 2 marks. So from 1 to 6, they are individual questions. Take note of that. 1 to 6 are individual questions. So where you're not clear, be specific, because you don't want to waste time on today's live. It's yeah, we'll see how far we'll go. Just praying for a very amazing ride where everybody is participating and we help each other as we always do. Question number 1 is saying evaluate. So we have 3 squared, right? Plus 3 to the power negative 1 times 2 to the power 0. If you have been here before, you remember that this paper is not new to us. If you have been attending our live sessions, at some point we solved this one. So how we are going to answer this question now? Okay, how we are going to answer this question? I don't know how I can put the lighting in that really great. Just give me a second, please. Okay. 3 squared is 9 plus 3 to the power negative 1 is same as 1 over 3. The reason is that we have an inverse. Our power is -1. So it's same as 1/3 times 2 to the power 0, it's 1. Good evening, Vicky. So we can write it as 9 plus 1 times 1/3 times 1 is 1/3. Then 9 plus 1/3 is same thing as 9 as a whole number, 1/3. Please feel free to ask. Apple. So 9 times 3 is 27. 27 plus 1 is 28. So in paper 1, please pay attention. In paper 1, leave it as a fraction or as a decimal number if you may. Okay? One sure. You are saying you can see? How about now? How about now? We need to move together, guys. So take your paper, take your pen, let's solve together. Okay. So I was explaining that in paper 1, leave it as a improper fraction or as a decimal, not a mixed fraction. So munga mwita sira so iliche or as a decimal, if you may. Okay. Are we okay to proceed to the next one? Are we safe to move to the next? Hey, Christabel, I see you. This is the first question we're looking at. Please, and for today's live, I need people, if you got it if you got it like the way I did, just comment. I got it, Ija. Okay? Give me that comment. Give me that comment. There's somebody who's crying. Oh. D, nipa tumoso mami. The first question tambolira. First question tambolira. What mukwetiza Pereira? Your course answer. D.
Hello.
Tia, direct to the question, mami. Question can concern.
So I'm confused properly. 3 to the power -1. So I got it wrong. I did 3 to the power 2, which is 9, then plus. Then I did 3 to the power 1, which gave me 3. Yes, then times 1. Then adding 9 plus 3. Your negative, I didn't consider the negative part.
It's there for a reason, Mama. Consider it.
Yeah. Okay.
Right. But have you understood how we solve this one?
Okay, sir.
No, you didn't answer my question. Have you understood? Okay, boss. So there's a reason. Because now what you have done, there's a difference
I've understood.
Listen, there's a difference between 3 to the power -1 and 3 to the power 1. These are two different things. 3 to the power 1 will give you 3.
Yeah.
But 3 to the power -1 is 1/3. It's an inverse. Okay?
Okay.
Nice.
Yes.
Let's go. We go to the, sir, can it be left on the second last? No. This stage, no. This, no. You can't leave it here. This is what I'm saying. You leave it as a proper fraction, as a improper or a decimal. Fraction or a decimal. Why is the answer 91/3? No one said that the answer is 91/3. No one said. Okay, and in case there's somebody who's confused on how this got to this, ni japa mtima kama 9 plus 1/3, right? So common denominator will be what? 3. Ma 1 with 3 ni 3. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 into 3 is 1. 1 times positive 1 is positive 1. So we have 28 over 3. Is that okay? So I use this direct one because momentum camera 2 plus half is 2.5, right? And then we test using it, right? Is that okay? Is that okay, my genius friends? Okay, thank you so much. Let's go. Question number 2. Please, Onan Wanamulungu na Papata, I want you to take note of every word that I'm saying. All right. What about 9 times 3 then plus 1? You're going to get 28, but then where's the 3 at the bottom? Swilanji. Please understand this. From 1 to 6, please, at least get those questions correct. I'll be explaining as I'm progressing. Make it your mission. Kutu dia kaufer. I can try. No, I'll be explaining. I'll be doing it on my own. When innocent, I sent the questions prior, mean that I gave you time to try. So we are just comparing at the moment. Same with Elizabeth. So let me just with English, so that we don't just waste time. I'm back, sir. Unfortunate of groups and numbers. I completely lost them. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Simplify. Simplify. Simplify this. Have you seen? So what do they mean by simplify? Vakamba kuti chinkale na same value, but chite express in a simple way. Natisha, that's what simplify mean. It should maintain its value, but it should be in smaller. Just like a 50 kg of malasha and a 50 kg bag of cement may look different. The malasha one will look bulkier, but cement will look small, yet they're all 50. Same with simplifying. So what we are going to do, we are going to multiply 2 times x. 2 times x, we get to x. Okay, so let me just copy this so that somebody might just follow. Okay, so I'm saying, all right, I know this oxide ionica manning faint because of the lighting your phone. Perhaps I reduce the lighting. I don't know if it will work. It's just me trying to see how best we can just have a clear view. Yo, okay. Yes, fine. All right. So 2 times x is 2x. Please solve with me. 2 times positive 3y. It is positive 6y. This is negative. That 4 is positive. So negative times positive, it's negative. 3 times 4 is 12x. Negative times negative is positive. 3 times 2 is 6. Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, what we'll do now is group the like terms. Yes. But then have you noticed that y is alone? This 6y and that 6 are not like terms. 6y, 6. They are different. So I'll start with this one who is alone. And there's a reason why, because now you want x is a negative. Then I'll say positive 2x minus 12x together with its sign plus 6. Always pick together with its sign. E in negative 12x, no one E. No wonder now is negative 12x. Don't leave the signs away. So now it will be 6y, 2x minus 12x, it is minus 10x plus 6. Done. Just like that. Please. we are doing this. Think of it that in my exam, every exam paper that you see, take it serious as if you are facing that question in an exam. All right, somebody said got it. Somebody said clear. If anything, especially those from my WhatsApp group, you better start saying got it. Or maybe, oh, you point out where you made a mistake. Not yeah, clear. We're not dealing with clear. Maybe these guys value. Where you have made a mistake, you let me know to say, oh, I made a mistake here. Only Patembo, I see you gift. Yeah, because you ignored the sign. You ignored the sign. So take note of signs. Take note of signs. E ni positive. E ni negative. So we subtract them. No, you didn't got it. No. 6y should be positive. 10x should be negative. So you didn't get it right. Stefan. I made a mistake, apopari sign. Yeah, take note of that. What about it's correct? You have just expressed it differently. It's correct. It's correct. You have expressed it different. But can you be? Yes, you can be marked, Derek. But then just be systematic. Yes, Ruth. Yes, Mary. Okay, let's proceed, guys. Let's go. My answer is correct, just that I started. It's okay. So does the order? Yes, systematically, yes, but then you used to be marked. Saliana, hi. Kambenji, you're welcome. Just have to be systematic. You don't do it just because kind of vipeza. Okay, let's go. Let's go. You're welcome, Franklin. Let's go. Some kind of problem in paper. Let me try to peteka it. Kaya pa akakalipaso goal, so I can't really manage spacing. Okay. Okay. Are we ready? Hello, Annie, you're welcome. Are you ready? Are you ready, my genius friend? Please help me tap the screen and share the live. That way more people can join. Yeah, I wanted the first question I've missed. Ready. The first question was like this. It was like this. We got 28/3. You already did that first question. All right, Chirwa. You already did that first question. 3 to the power 2 is 9. 3 to the power -1 is 1/3. 2 to the power 0 is 1. Then we say 1/3 times 1 is 1/3. 9 plus 1/3. 9, same thing as 9, 1/3. Then say 9 times 3, 27 plus 1, 28/3. Take a note on the second one. All right, okay. Then number 2, we found this. We said 2 times x, 2x. 2 times 3y is 6y. -3 times 4x is -12x. -3 times -2 is +6. We started with this because it's alone. Then +2x minus 12x plus 6. That was our answer. Now you're up to date. When are we using graph papers? When we start dealing with paper 2, Mama. When we start dealing with paper 2, we can't use graph papers where we don't need graph papers. When we start doing paper 2, but trust me, we need paper 1 more at the moment. If we are safe on paper 1, paper 2 is guaranteed. This message goes to my students, those who are in my WhatsApp group. I've been preaching about that. Ladies and gentlemen, factorize completely. Factorize completely. So if we can just secure paper 1. All right. So we are factorizing, right? So what is common? Please don't say x, because we don't have x there. We don't have x there, so x is not common. So 3 is common, right? Thank you so much. I've seen people commenting 3. Good job. I like how quick you are responding. Let's go. So 3 is common. So we'll take it out. Okay? So 3 is common. So now, who remain with the x squared? Minus 27 divided by 3, it's 9. Are we done? Are we done? We are factorized, but not completely. Yeah, okay? We are factorized, but not completely. Innocent is saying yes. We are factorized, but not completely. The next step, please pay attention on the next step. The next step is very important. We factorize by difference of two squares. Meaning within my bracket, we express them as a square, but we maintain the value. So x squared will still be x squared because it's already expressed as a square. 9 can only be expressed because there's no any other number that if we square it, we get a 9 apart from 3. So 3 squared is 9. Then after we are done, ladies and gentlemen, break them into two parts and get only the bases. Osatima square yake, sendeni ifi punch if. Mzangala x minus 3. Mujamwina ngomkala x plus 3. The difference is positive and minus, hence factorized. Si time ya chimeko, si time ya kuti ngaona maneozi ya kuru ya juve, hapa ya zanda. Okay? Ya zanda. So trying, me, I don't know that one. Me, I will skip it. Okay, go and skip it. Guys, skipping a question adds marks, eh? So please, every question matters. Every question in an exam matters. So if you are too petty to the point that saying, not this one, okay. What comes first? Any. Tina, any. I don't know what you mean, what comes first. Chicken, egg, I don't know. What are you asking? But in case you want to say minus or positive, any. Helen is saying today I'm enjoying. I'm hoping that everybody should. I'm trying to make it as interesting as it should be. Kuna sogo. Let's go to question number what? Question number 4. Do more on. So boss vanakamba. We are on question number 4. Mukamba pari variation tikabufukana ku variation. Those who texted me, they were added. There's a lady who actually asked, no, you didn't add me, Murichan. I sent a message. Text me on this line. As long as you paid, you'll be added. As long as you paid, you'll be added. How did he get 9? Since 3 is common, he okay. Swilanji, who is asking about? There's a question, guys. My comment side, but okay, I responded. 10, guys. It's how much? I'll let you know. Nana, let me finish this question. I'm still allowing my 50 kwacha. I'm still allowing my 50 kwacha. How much is to pay? My 50 kwacha. I'm still allowing my 50 kwachas per subject. But let me continue. They can survey kotizakamba. All right. Those who are interested, any of my students help. I have a question. Please go ahead. I bring on the guest? Yes. Come. Savoy. She's asking for somebody else. Come. Abigail, hi. Some people are even shy to come on the guest because they feel like people will know that they are writing GCE. Yes, Krista. Why?
Sir, I have a question. So here we have one with a negative sign and the other one with a positive sign. So I think this is where I go. So how did you do it for you to have the other one with a positive?
You went quiet. Go back to the question again. You went quiet at some point. You said, this is where I dash. We didn't got anything. Boy.
Okay, so I was asking about the final answer here where we have x minus 3 and the other one also x plus 3. Yes. So with me, at first I got it correct, but then again went back to change the sign on the other side. I was like, okay, let me put it minus on both. So I
No
just wanted
wonder
you to clarify how you found the negative on both. I mean, different signs.
So since it's different of two squares, so it has to be different. The other one minus, the other one positive. Because if you put both negative, that means you won't be able to get to this point. You are only factorizing, meaning that you need to maintain. You need to be able to go back to that. So when you reach up, as long as you're you are factorizing by different of two squares, the other one should be minus, the other one should be positive.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, I have gotten it now. Thank you so
Please,
much.
boy, make sure you pose a question whenever, okay?
Okay, thank
Okay,
you.
question number 4, guys. Are we ready? I think the next one is set, but let's go. Question number 4, are you ready? My genius friends, are you ready? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, you let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. Now, the question is saying find the gradient of a line which passes through the points. I am a points, Yavid. Are you seeing that? So we have been given 2 points, and then you have been asked to find what? Gradient. So every time you have been given 2 points and they're asking you to find gradient, don't hesitate. Amen. Don't hesitate. Okay, you get the same 2 points, negative 3, comma, negative 1, 0, comma 3. Somebody saying I can see. You guys can see. So Gulam Nimenso, do something. You. Okay, thank you so much. So we are going to use the formula here, gradient. M is equal to, all right, M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Please, unless you are still at work, get a piece of paper. Ngauribe paper clean using a dot yeyo. Practice, 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 practice. Have you noticed how this everyday lives has really improved your understanding and how you're solving questions? It's because you are practicing. Back then, you never used to practice. Now that every day, one or the other, you're still, you practice with me. Now, ladies and gentlemen, y2 ni 3. Again, hapa yombe says, we always kaya kapena mata confused ban. Uona no kamba why 2 y1. Kaya fio mufipenya mweka. I don't know how you do it. Mima pesa chat now penya. It's even clear. This is your y2. Uzapesa uzademba futi hapa 0. No. Get them as they are. y2 is 3. y1 is negative 1. So negative 1, you put it in bracket. That minus and that negative 1 are different things. So there's no way just because it's a negative, then we'll be minus more. No. Put that one in brackets. Over x2, it's 0 minus negative 3. So gradient, Olivia, is equal to 3 negative times negative 1 is positive 1 over negative times negative 3 is positive 3. Gradient is equal to 3 plus 1 is 4. Just do you over 3. This is our gradient. not 4 anyone, not 2 over 3. Mawifumia is a 2 over 3. Those who are getting 2 over 3 are the same people who I'm saying that they ignored that negative. Guys, it braille born see clear. Ni network che yako iranza braille. Miss line is clear. And I wrote 2 over 3. Yes, because you ignored the other channel. The camera focus on your finger. Yeah, you didn't add the negative, no wonder. So I'm going to repeat for the sake of my genius friends. Look at this. Camera ita focus kafika kumokanga. So sinziba. How I'm going to wait, Dory. Wait. Listen. We use this formula, right? Yokawa ati ikonka kakumokanga. Okay. So is equal to y2 ni 3 minus e minus e. Have you seen minus comes with a formula? The minus comes with a formula. Let's pay attention. Kwanza, I will explain why we shouldn't simplify. I will explain. Minus e. So e y1 it's already -1. So you bring it as it is. Okay, don't disappear one negative. Y2 is 0 minus e y1 x2 is 0, x1 in -3. Now you have it in brackets. Please put it in brackets. What is hot it? Oh yeah, okay. So please don't make mistakes. Negative times -1 is +1. So we have 3 plus 1 over negative times -3 is +3. 0 plus 3 ni 3. Vinangongo viskipako. 3 plus 1 is 4 over 3. Laser, guys. Ompwe. Oh boy. Let's go. Please, Mungwanga, let me fast a little, please. Na papata, please. Let's go, my genius friends. Let's go. Now got it. Can I see the question again? Swilan, you are in the WhatsApp group. I sent these questions. I sent this question prior. That's why I'm even getting the questions from. Is it not the same group? Look, it's from the group. I got these questions from the group. I sent these questions earlier. Natuma kudala my questions. I even advised to say, practice where you can. So that when I come on the live, you'll be able to compare what you solved. 10 most, guys. Let's move together, please. Those who wish to join our online classes, I'm still allowing 50 kwacha. So please copy the number, then we proceed. 10. Question number 5 will be set. Kwanza, we can simplify. Yes, I saw. Yeah. Kwanza, we can simplify this number because E ni even number in odd number. Even number, odd number. Okay? So there's nothing common. Yamenga ngene move 4 ni 1. Yamenga ngene move 3 ni 1. There's no any other number. So we can simplify. Kwanza, that was for you. Do they say when adding Victoria, what do you mean? Do they, when adding people on WhatsApp group, do they pay? Yes. I'm just waiting for geometric triangle. I don't know which one. You mean second theorem? I meant to, do they pay? Yeah. Yeah, I'm allowing 50 kwacha. 50 kwacha. Vanessa, ulipo. Yo, Vanessa, are you, or maybe you change your mind? Are you writing? Vanessa. So this coming Saturday, by the grace of God, we are going to do paper 2. Paper 2. We're going to do paper 2. We just pray all goes well. next question. Let's go to the next question. Let's go. Okay. I'm getting negative. Yeah, cancel the negatives, mommy. How you got those negatives, I don't know. But divide negative by negative, you still get positive. I think I'll visit on Saturday. You should. My visit, we don't want visitors. Just we want those who want to come and learn. So if you want to come and learn with us, come. You're welcome. It's free of charge. If you pay, it will show. You are right. You're right. Let's go. Yeah. It's what time? From 09 hours to 16 hours, Monday to Saturdays. Trust me, you can't afford. As long as you're in Lusaka, I highly recommend. Sa teach. Ndepari vuto naiwe. Let me mute you. Kapunzileko kwinango. What's your problem, Kans? You like trying to commuting or zambo mvera koche? Should I mute you for entire life? I'm writing the question. Question. Guys, am I not explaining what is drawing the question? I'm doing this. I'm explaining what is drawing the question. I don't get it. Let me move at my own pace. Let me do on my own pace. Vambo tenga remote control here. Mav konda, you guys. Mav konda, it's not good. I need to address people. I can funsa. Zamianka, just because to kapiri nishimina kutiva minutes bakuru saka sanktejan. Let's be cool, guys. Let's go. So yes, location I'll give you on Thursday or Friday. So ladies and gentlemen, listen, are we ready? Let's go. Ininga kulikuwa mtamangira osa ntamangisa ntambenje. Kuchanko popa live. There is Sparkles. Thank God I'm the only one who saw that comment. It's muted. 10. Listen, Manamunungu. Listen, please. Listen. If I say listen, I want your attention. Listen anyway. Vamene vili mushedingire pamoja. Union saying together. What is in A? Shed them together with what is in B. But then should intersect with what is not in C. So now C has a complement. C has been excluded. Meaning whatever you do, don't shade the C. Why? Because C has a complement. All right. Then, have you noticed that it has an intersection? Does it mean that we can shade even here? Wana wa Mungu. Does it mean that we can shade even mkati much box? Where are my people? You guys are taking forever to respond in networking. No, we can't. We can only shed ngapanari union paja. If we had a union there, we would have shaded even there. So the only thing that we're going to shed, we are going to exclude only C, then we shed Ifyashala. Like that. Just like that. Also, take note. I'm deliberately going to explain even this one. If we had the A intersect B, intersect C complement, it means now it intersect. Would have shaded even up alone. But since it's union, wakamba virimu A, mushedingire pamozi na virimu B, leaving out only C. But now, because there's intersection there, we don't shade the universal. That's one thing that you should know. And then that's me, my explanation. So teacher can explain Mosiana. You compare, you follow the one that will work for you. So far, so good. Okay, I got it. I understand now. Ompwe, clear. Thank you so very much. Ompwe, nice. Okay, Father, please. This I need to keep moving. Semina kuna energy drink nga kugona 04 semina kuna 04 ya lero. So I explain union and intersection in Bemba. When we say union, pamo. Union ni pamo, together. Intersection, if it ingeneko, if it common. Mamveraka. So if we shed here, it means whatever is there, it's also in there, it's also in there. So what if the comma is on the bracket? Hey, if the comma is on the brackets, it's the opposite. Mean that you don't shed this, shed only C. Just from the way you understand it. Mwevant, what is ompwe? We'll find out later. Let's go. Not clear, sir. My network. Gloria. Try to climb. Esankoni kukwera ko mitengo or kitchen. Msabeche ndio. Laundankon. Look for area where network is okay. The kambava zone rero ngani network shouldn't be one of the things. Intersection is in between. Okay, we can go with that. It's okay. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Intersection is set within another. That's a subset, mamina imwe. Msapake ma teachers mzaso savantu. That's a subset. There's a font. There are fonts. You are Pro Max Chongo. It's really bad. Me, I'm lifting my phone up so good. Sir, Namaseko theorem. Drink some water. Drink some water. We'll get there when you get there. Let's go. Tien, msapake ma teachers. Ay, marandufsha vana. Mzanso esela vana. We can't afford to lose these important children. They are our future nurses and future business administrations. So kindly explain on soko. You are Mbap. You are Chirona Duana Vorengesaka. Uyuna ngu your fellow backbencher. I read a nice theorem. So we leave this question, we look for a second theorem. Kamba mweka. Palibantu wobirima pano lero. Waviona ka? Waleke mbaka vilima. Waleke no my students. Waleke wavilima. Waleke, leave them alone. Tien. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Are we able to see the question? Guys, are you able to see the question? Somebody saying yes, somebody saying no. So bakamba ku no shane. Sometimes my question yangu sinzambo funsa. Nizero zadi question kwa hasango mwararanda tino. You go back. Don't zoom out. It is not clear. Ngapa? Very good. Lesa musumavane talava uchi menine apela ne chunguru. Uzamvera china zonati I can't see. I never understood what in a way. Guys, how about now? Ujata I can't see. Maybe put some lights. Oh, kaya using a candle. Guys, are you able to see? Not able to understand? Listen to me. How about now? So I found the answer. We're not asking for finding answer. We're asking if you're able to see the question. We'll find together now. Maybe it's a Tiona because Yamalin says, if I Valan Magogo. Varan Magogo, Tamanshu Penim, Apo Mrefoka Kuya Kuma opticians. Mnaone Jamoto Kagamba Kutua Pima Mahara. Just read the question, sir. No. Do you know my students? I just read the question. Akufunza towards the question. Who's that show us the question? Ladies and gentlemen, the position vector of a point P is this. A position vector of a point P is this. So this position vector, I'll represent it as OP. Because all position vectors, they originate from O, which is origin. So OP ni 3, 4. Please napapata mbese sana. Then EQ, please listen. This Q is in coordinate form. This has been expressed in coordinate. So I can change that coordinate into a position vector as well, which is OQ. So it will be -1 and 1. Please, before I even proceed, now move. Before Nshiraikata na Kuchani, have you understood how it has changed? Okay. Iwa chichanju. Nikamba kuti. Mvera iwe mvera kuno, mvera. All position vectors, they originate from O. Olo iwe katoka unimba kwa mambila pa 0, ndipo yenda kundo. There's always a starting point. Then you go to where you're going. So nakamba kuti EP will be expressed as OP, which is 3 and 4. Then EQ, it's in coordinate form, so we need to change it from coordinate to a column vector by simply just saying -1 represents X, 1 it represents Y, so it's -1 and 1. But you ask for this explanation secretly. Do you understand this? Especially those who are saying no. But why are we changing it? That's not the question. The question is, why are we finding? You need to change it so that you find the problem, Mami. Pay attention. Lesson is taking place. You change from mathematics to methodology. So, let me explain. Every position vector starts from the origin. It starts from 0. So it's from 0 to that. That's where P is. Ija P wale kambayeka. Nde ili hapa. In which direction? This direction. Q ili huku. In which direction? That direction. So what they want us to find is PQ. Are you saying that PQ? So they are telling us we should move from P going to Q. Even the arrow is showing that. So, yeah, we are even asking a necessary question. That's where the problem is. So we are moving from P going to Q. P to Q, even before the question is done. Okay, so we are going PO. You can't go root, so we are going to move PO, then OQ. But now, us moving from P to O, we are going against the direction, because the direction is showing going from O to P. So if we move from P going to O, it's opposite direction. It is against the actual direction. Meaning that now, OP, that OP will carry a negative. Please pay attention. Will carry a negative. Yes, Astrida. All right. So it will now be negative OP plus OQ is in the right direction. From O to Q is in the right direction. So it will maintain to be positive. Manje mvesesa. Vectors encourages or vectors says we maintain positivity. So I'll start with the OQ, which is positive, then minus OP. Okay? Are you getting that? So now we're going to move from P to Q. So it will be, what is our OQ? It is -1 and 1. Minus, what is our OP? It is 3 and 4. Then we'll go with the correspondings. From P to Q is equal to -1 minus 3. It is -1 minus 3. You take a step by step. Then 1 minus 4, it's 1 minus 4. And we can't afford, it's already 21 hours, guys. Live. So PQ is equal to -1 minus 3 is -4. 1 minus 4, because 4 is bigger and it's carrying a negative, we subtract but maintain the sign from the bigger. So those who, like Cecilia was saying, -4 over -3, that's wrong. Why over? Don't draw a line up. Kwasira. Mnasikia? You get it? Okay. Do we have those who wish to join our online classes? So if you wish to join our online classes, I'm still allowing a 50 kwacha. All right. I'm still allowing a 50 kwacha. Zoom out. Thank you so much, sir. I don't know if you're a sir or you're a madam. Thank you. So if you wish to join our online classes for any of our subject, be it mathematics, these are the subjects that we offer: maths, biology, civic education, and science. So if you're interested in any of those, kindly do let me know. Just make a payment, then you'll be added. Let's go to the next question real quick. Next question. Question number 7. So have you noticed what time do mathematics starts? Trust me, no student of mine, I'll start from here. No student of mine misses lessons. So our lessons starts between 17 to 22 hours Monday to Friday. But looking at what is happening at the moment, time Yasira, I send the lessons whenever they are available, they are ready. But still, there's an independent group where the lessons are sent, so they are not interrupted. You can even find other lessons that you missed. Then you can binge watch. Okay? Then you can binge watch. So the good part is that no student, you get to learn at your own pace, but then you'll be guided. Okay, let's go. Lesson continues. More work. Let's play. Mama yangu. Hold on, guys. Hold on. You'll be able to see the question. Just wait. So I just wanted, I just joined. I want to see the number to use. Panga tumapepa tungono mapepa yanga ezasira. Kwanza, I don't know if your account is on private, you can't be invited. You can ask by writing your question. Koban, long time, my friend. Mama yangu naona paper. Hi, yes, Yacinta. Who is Yacinta? Ujamalira question. Oh, ujameza funza padi. Oh, that's Yacinta. Okay, sorry. I thought that was Wachira Filandra movie. That was Yacinta. I'm pa TikTok pano. Udabacho kwa bwa mundu akuitana Yacinta. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go. Yacinta, you're welcome. Let's go, guys. Are we ready? Are we ready? Tina, you're welcome. Let's proceed, ladies and gentlemen. The first question is asking us to find the transpose of P. The transpose of P, Chitabeo. The transpose of P. So E matrix P. So tizalembati P to the power T. Okay? Equal to, when we are transposing, please pay attention. When we are transposing this, okay? That row 4 negative 1 0. That row 4 negative 1 0 will become 4 negative 1 0. Ezeri gone ya immediate. Okay? 4, it is 4 negative 1 0. It's now 4 negative 1 0. 2 0 3. We say 2 0 3. This is how we transpose. Kwasila 1 mark. Ombre got it. Nice. Jedi got it. Anybody else? Derek, Felicia, Mali, Pretty, Fatuma. Fatuma, you, our Fatuma, or this is a different Fatuma. Chirwa, Bianca, Tomaida, Tamia, Christopher, James, Wupe. I have to explain, Ankara teacher. Naomi, no, not Alan, Kyle, if it's not Alan, Yacinta, silent introvert. Oh, okay, I got it, Chipo, okay, yeah. Let's go, guys. Jen. Gracious, okay, let's go. Mapalo, good evening. Now, the next question, they're asking us to find the product, all right, of matrix P and Q. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Vinango VC is a question. Very active if you are a student. 4 negative 1 0 2 0 3. Q is 1 2 3. So your row and column Vachaija ti 2 by 2 caterpillar by 2. You understand? Eh? Your row, this row, your row and that column, they do 2 by 2 caterpillar by 2. What I mean is this. The number first is that I multiply na number first. Number ya pakati ita multiply na number ya pakati. Number ya last ita multiply na number ya last. Then you just add them. Do you understand? Then we'll repeat the same process vapans. Yapa first na yapa first plus yapa cut na yapa cut plus yapa last na yapa last. Okay, so it will now be 4 times 1. 4 times 1 ni 4 plus nizo ni plus, but then now naka minus yak. So nienda negative 1 times 2, it's negative 2. Positive times negative 2 is negative 2. So ni bwache na negative 2. Plus 0 times 3, it's positive. There's no positive 0 or negative 0, but tilembache 0. Idika votu. I'm done vapa mwamba. I'll go for the one at the bottom. 2 times 1, 2 times 1, it is 2. Plus 0 times 2, 0 times 2, it is 0. Plus 3 times 3, it is 9 vadara. Then our final answer now will be PQ equal to 4 minus 2, it is 2. 2 plus 0, it is 2. 2 plus 9, it's 11. Two on top, 11 pounds. Tamia International. Yo tamia onana maine bando ai. Wananga na ivara. Yo katamia. You tana mie bando. You katamia. Nikufunza. So you change me a bando. Hey Lizzie, welcome. Amra, Eddie. Tu makaini. Tuonika kumkosi fipa. Tu makabo fipa. Alami, I thought I was wrong at first and then messed up. Yeah? Bring your head here. Stop doubting yourself. Let's go. Philippa ipo mwawa. Kudala. Philippa mali. Lero nilibe mayo. Maybe mayo. Kamba weka kansi. Question number 8. Let's go, my genius friends. Vama zoom ya. Indepe vipena hivi. Which year basa? 2023 boss. Let's go. Mama. Guys, are you able to see the question? Ensa nayo ini atempa fuka camera. Sa zoom, we copy the question. Never young Firozo. A bit. Nganga ya bwera. Nika zoominga. Mwana kwa yenda nika zoominga. Fear no issue. I can see. Receive site. Ngapa. Alright, it's just okay, sir. Thank you. Veran. And okay, chola. You kamba weka. Ni zoom, nga zoominga tizachuka pa screen chiende you kamba weka. Vuta zoom paka chitabe manje. Because if I zoom again I'll mess up. An arithmetic progression is given as 1, 7, 13. 1, 7, 13. Before I continue, what is our common difference? Before I continue, what is our common difference? Let's get the data. 1 and 1 0. If common difference is 6, how did we find 6? We say 7 minus 1. Second term minus first term. I tell you at 7. What is our n? Jew envelope. What is our n? What is our n? N is in the question. 80th, 80th, not 18th, 80th. So it's 8. N is 80. Oh. N, the first term, you come but 1. Anybody? Do you understand where 8 is coming from? Tikabombo sovesana. Iyo ikamba at 80th term. If I put your black up. Somebody doesn't know where 8 is coming from. From the question anyway. Yes, you was Felix. Iyo 80th term. Iyo 80th term. Iyo. Did we? Tikabonambo solver, we are trying to establish at the answer in 43. We now got 48. Tikabonambo solver. Tikabonambo kusamba kumanja utia densima. Kamba pangani ndiyo iti pambali. 10 guys. Noko tulevutukira. Did I ask you to give us 10? We are not dividing you. We are not dividing. So, since we are finding the 80th term, so our T8, where there is n, we are putting 8. Where there is a, we put 1, because our first term is 1. Where there is n, we are putting 8. Common difference we have said is 6. So, 80th term is equal to 1 plus 8 minus 1 is 7 multiplied by 6. 80th term, 1 plus 7 times 6. 7 times 6 in 42. 7 times 6 in 42. There's no what mwapeza bwanji. Ndemwe iliche. 1 plus 42 ni 43. Okay. We use that formula when finding okay. Let's go to the next question. Sum of the first 15 in 15. Ndana kumfakira ma numbers mawedzi inkalako challenge. Ni 15 ijai? Ni 15. So wakamba sum of the first 15 terms. So this is AP. So the formula that we use is sum of the nth term equal to n over 2, open bracket, 2a plus, open bracket, n minus 1d. That's the formula we get to use. All right, lining. Good to see you, Olivia. So our n is what? 15. So sum of 15 is equal to 15 over 2, 2 open bracket, 1, plus 15 minus 1. Common difference, we found 6. I'm not going to be quick to find my decimals. I'll maintain 15 over 2. 2 times 1, I know it's what is 2, plus 15 minus 1 is 14. So let's find 14 times 6. What is 14 times 6? We cut up. 15 over 2. 2 times 1 is 2, plus, it just pass at 24, 4 remainder 2, you can 84. 15 over 2 times 2 plus 84 is 86. Then I can say 2 there, 1. 2 more 86 is 43. Then I'll multiply 15 times 43. 3 times 5, 3 times 5, 15. 5 remainder 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 0 remainder 2. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2, 6. 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 0, 4. 6 plus 0, 6. The answer is 645. Did you find it, Iwe? Or you can explain. Did you find it, or you can explain? Nice, good job, guys, good job. And I can explain. Where explain? It's not clear. Where did the 15 go? Have you seen when Makamba to Masovere apaka? Mwamba kuniamba. So ipena kamba 15 times 45 yena leta hapa. Okay. Okay. Tian, don't stop paying attention. Stop paying attention. Stop. Wait. Okay. Now listen. She's saying, where did 15 go? Apopali 416. 15 minus 1, is it not the one that has given us 14? Unless you guys are telling me that even subtracting young challenge, because 15 minus 1 is 14. 14 times 6 is the one that gave us 84. Yeah, I think again, if I shut, guys, can you hear me? The 15 divided by 2, honor. 15 over 2. yezongo konkai, yezo konkai, ndei. Then it reached a point where now testange samo 2 muri 86, and pass 43. That same 15 is the one that we multiply with that. Ndei 90 50 times 43. It gave us 645. Let's continue. We'll find. Let's go. Let's go. You are now consider putting. That's it. Anka the back bench. That's the purpose of this life. Like our phones. But now, guys, let's ask at least in my obvious kutia but in zona panga phones. That's the purpose of the life. So if you're going to attack my students in block, let them be. By batch cop up. We want to learn once. What's the purpose of this life if once it is for mathematics? So because like you are going to hospital mbokondima vantu vodwala kamba kuti but is ona pari vantu vodwala furu pano. Isn't that the purpose of the hospital? To find sick people. So let them be. Don't call them vikopo. Hey, you have been blocked by my moderator. I've sent the person. So leave them alone. Don't call any of my student vikopo. Let them ask as many times as they can. Nemwine nzawaza uti waya sana orobanje. So please don't help me to lecture my students. Don't. Naanda nakamba kuti don't be teachers pano. Like Christine, so I know the man. We had issues on WhatsApp. Is in our group. You are terrible. Come back. Let's continue here. So leave my students alone, guys. Let's proceed. You are right. Let's go. Oh, okay. Swap as opportunity. Guys, let's be serious because this is something else. No, we are going to pass. Stop. Remove that mentality. Don't be scared. I got you. I got you. In a bag, yeah, you want a blessing. In a bag of a blessing, there are 4 blue marbles, 3 red marbles, and 2 white marbles. So what is the total number of marbles? In the bag of a blessing, there are 4 blue marbles, 3 red marbles, and 2 white marbles. What's the total number of marbles? 9, huh? Chibenchi to our accountant work. What is the probability of picking at random a red marble? So the probability of picking a red marble, we have been told, no remba. It's okay. You just say, wakamba picking a red marbles. So I'm a red marbles. How many times are we likely to pick the red marbles? How many times are you likely to pick red marbles in that bag? 3. Out of how many? Out of how many? So when finding the probability of picking a red marble, it will be 3 out of the total number. Then you don't leave it like that. You can simplify it. 3 into 3 is 1. 3 into 9 is 3. That's your answer. Have you seen how smart you are becoming? It's no longer a secret. Have you seen how smart you are becoming? Okay, Mwari smart. Hey, I'll follow that lady's comment. Murifinangani. You are genius, but kaoles naka pettiness naka jaka so kanapakis. Yakuti vivo se clocket. Napo mlefai kukuvomfia manu wali clocket. Inapakisa. But you are savuka choka. You alubasi. Probability doesn't go beyond the 1. 9 over 3, you get a 3. nzeru muli nazo mache too much of me this one no no okay. So this question that we are solving now, if you want, you can use the quadratic formula. Okay, you can use the quadratic formula, that one. If you want, you can use factorization method. 9 into 3 never combine. Uzengene samu bwanji 3 muli 9 way. Jesus Christ. The total number of marbles, they were 9. Then they're saying that what is the probability of picking I'll come back. What is the probability of picking at random a red marble? So the picking of red marble, you only pick red marbles katatu out of the total number. So 3 mu 3 ni 1, 3 mu 9 ni 3. Tesongeza mu 3 Stinga ngezi 9 mu 3. Wazati manga. So let's factorize. So what is our product? Wamvera mapalo. Wamvera mapalo. So our product, so how do we find the product? Is 2 times negative 3. Always look at that coefficient. Yaoku nai, the constant. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Then for our sum is the coefficient of x, which is 1. Okay? Now, we have found the sum. The product is negative 6, the sum is 1. Product negative 6, sum is 1. So, we now look for factors. I know the challenge that we have been having is how to find the factors. See of wood. There are only selected numbers that can give you a 6 if you multiply them. 2 numbers that can give you a 6. Iwe mean 1 times 6 ingapasa 6. 2 times 3 ikupasa 6. Aya ndema numbers ya vidi. But then, have you noticed that our 6 is what? Negative. Alright, then our sum is positive. It means a smaller number is carrying a negative. If I say negative 1 times 6, I'll get negative 6. But if I say plus, negative 1 plus 6, I'll get positive 5. This is not positive 5. So this is out. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Negative 2 plus 3, it's 1. This is standing out. So our factors will be negative 2 and D3. Where is 6 coming from? That's a very good question. I said when you are finding the product, 2 times negative 3, it's negative 6. So product, we get these 2 numbers. Sum, we get the coefficient of x. So your next step, tutenga 2x squared. Then we use the same factors, but then we add the x kusugoro. So to now be minus 2x plus 3x minus 3 equal to 0. What is common? 2x is common. 2x squared. 2x squared divided by 2x is x. Negative divided by positive ni negative. 2x divided by 2x, it's 1. What is common there? Positive 3 is common. 3x divided by 3, it's x. Negative divided by positive is negative. 3 divided by 3, it's 1. Then these which are outside, we'll put them in one bracket. Then we equate this one equal to that, this equal to that. So it would be 2x plus 3 equal to 0, or x minus 1 equal to 0. Then e positive 3 on the right side would be negative 3. Divide both sides by 2. So the first value of x is negative 3 over 2. The other value of x will be negative 1 on the right side, it's positive 1. These are our two answers. Is it okay if you can put it in decimals? Yes, it will be negative 1.5. Negative 1.5. Okay, please pay attention. Let's pay attention so that this tibwezana kumambuyo mbuyo. Let's pay attention. Even when I'm explaining, you pay attentively so that tendra pamozi. Tendra pamozi. Because I'll go at least to finish this paper so that my dinga neko na vinango. I've already spent 1.5 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes, I mean. I've already spent 1 hour 30 minutes. So please, Napapata. It's me asking, me begging. Let's move together. Let's move together. Please, Napapata. Tandaza, how are you? I thought that was my friend Tandaza. I have a friend of mine on TikTok by that name. Tendai. Okay. Question number 10. Because if we are on question number 10, that means 13 more to go. So here they are saying, please pay attention. Wakambakuti, the universal set, it is now 0 to 9. You only have challenges if you use Chibasi. You're going to have challenges. Kuri jaya negative 1.5. That's why you are going to dance the tune. Maybe. Try it. I'm now curious as well. Let me do this. Hold on, guys. Sorry. Let me use H bus. So what is my A? Guys, what is my A? Guys, what is my A? So it will only be few individuals who will be responding. Masara mpudiyama nsima. Nana concat 1. Our A is 2. Our B is 1. Our C is -3. Don't get together with the variable. People. Me when I get caught, I begin to scratch. Let's go, guys. So we say x is equal to -b, positive or negative, square root b squared minus 4ac over wait, sizavuta So negative, what is b? It's positive 1, so we'll just say -1 because it's positive. So positive times negative is negative. Square root 1 squared minus 4, 2 times -3 over 2 multiplied by 2. So -1, positive or negative, square root 1 squared is 1. -4 times 2, it's -8. -8 times is it -8 times -3? That is positive 24 over 4. Iriche mush. Is that see that? It's not that bad. 10. So quadratic was even easy. -1 plus root 25 over 4, or -1 minus root 25 over 4. X is equal to -1 plus, what is the 25? Root 25 is 5 over 4, or -1 minus 5 over 4. Iriche? X is equal to -1 plus 5 in 4. 4 divided by 4 in 1. -1 minus 5 is -6 over 4. Then you simplify. Come back to my 4 muri 6 alimu yangati 1, so it will be -1. Point. Why are we 4? Remember what? 2. My 4 muri 2 it can't. Point. My 4 muri 20 alimu 5. Maybe I skipped a got 2.24 we got my formula -6 is -1. Remember 2. My formula 2 it can't. Point. My formula 20 is 5. -1.5. Your Sweetanji, I need your comment as well. I deliberately explain this one so that maybe you understand. The guys, I can't buy champion punya already. Na payapo ya bazimba. I forgot that napeleka vovara vukuwasha. So vampepo vonse vaenda ku washing. So we can't say 1.2, how? Why should it be 1.2? No, don't say that. Vampepo vaenda kurondri mweche. Hapa manje na payapo ya vazimba. 10. Osaseka. Mweche zambo kudiam space, Tony. Okay. Ya vazimba mweche. 10, guys. Next question. Nayamba. 10. The universal set contains the elements that are running from 0 to 9. Have you seen them? Elements that are running from 0 to 9. Set A have prime numbers. And set B has 3, 6, 9. So what we are supposed to do is to write my good evening. I want to join. How much do I pay? Do I need to pay? 50 kwacha per subject. That's what I'm offering today. 50 kwacha per subject. So universal set has the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up to 9. So from here, we'll pick for set A, we'll pick only my prime numbers. Hold on, I'll give you. Now, which one are prime numbers, guys? Which one is our prime numbers? I think you are the only one, you are the last person to pay. Go ahead, Maparo. I think you are the last person I'm going to charge 50. As I need to do this. Is end up at 75. People don't want to take advantage of. So which one are prime numbers? Prime numbers, these are numbers that one and itself. One ingenamo na eveka. So those are even numbers wilanji. One is not a prime number because but one and itself. So it can't be 1 and 1. Okay. So 2 is a prime number because more 2 is a prime even number. 2, 1 ingena na eveka. 3 is a prime number. 5 is a prime number. 7 is a prime number. 9 is not a prime number because 3 ingena. It's one and itself. Then set B has 3, 6, 9. So now they are telling us, all right. Wow, this is interesting. This guy is saying, let me do this. The guy is saying that, sir, I paid yesterday, but you didn't text me. Huh? Like right now I'm teaching. Do I even know that this is the person who has paid? And how do I even get your number? Manga mwasensa yambu ya potumila ndrama. Oro yaba anko. Then yambotumila ba anko. Hey, you want to join? Was that understand? No, guys, let's be realistic. Let's be real. Before I even ended the live, those who have made payment, WhatsApp me on this line so I can add you in the group. That's what I normally do. That's what I normally do. Man to me a message vambia wankamba kuti you can use this line to join WhatsApp group. Sasa wangali been considered for guris. So if you make payment, use the same line that you used to pay and WhatsApp me. Hey, that you can say, oh, sorry, I lost the number. Not that you didn't text me. Let's go. Now can explain. So wakamba kutu should list elements that are in A together with those that are not in B. So it's A union B complement. So any element, so what we are going to do, ladies and gentlemen, from our universal set, please pay attention. From our universal set, we are going to only get rid of 3, 6, 9. Vasala, that's our answer. Because we have been told that virimu 8, fakire pamoja na vamesi virimu B. So tikachosamo 3, 6 and 9. What will remain is not in B. So that is our answer. And from 0, 1, 4, 5, 7, and 8 is where we find the, if we remove 3, it's where we find it 2, 5, 7. Did I include 2? No, I was supposed to include 2. Sorry, 2 somewhere. Let me write again. 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. Good job, Mali. Good job, Mommy. Good job. You're doing good. I'm so impressed. I'm so happy. Good job, boy. Good job. Twin Mommy, you're welcome. Even you know I take the duties now when in vote pronouncing. Eddie, I'm quiet. I'm Ali. I'm right. I'm confused. That's good. What do I do next? You guys you are confused. Then to Tashan. And okay, then you but me I'm confused. Then but me I'm not confused. Does that going to help you? Be specific. If you are not clear, pose a question that can make me help you. Please. It can potomola vetimvera na ina panimvera mpepo. So sir, the complement is only B. Yes. It's only B. E. Ako. Karibu B. You wait, mwewa. We can't go to next question. My valuable student are confused. You will come back next question. You think I'll go next without attending to that person? No. First to push on now. That's when I'll go to my next to call Land. Are you that Peggy? Watakata. Waona atakata. Okay, she's too confused. Let's go. It was just a notification. Let's go. It was just a notification. 10. Find the number of planes of symmetry. Peggy, how are you? Good to see you. Find the number of planes of symmetry of the pyramid. Find the number of planes of symmetry of pyramid. Depend on my sides. Okay? Depend on my sides. We have this 1, 2, 3, 4, kumbuyo, 5, 6. 6 planes of symmetry. You are right, T. You are right. Hey, mvanzeri, right? Ala, oh yeah, you have sent. Maparumotu makudi sina receive pona ndramedi wansele. Sima donate chemwe. Naita mbapo ekuziwa odi. Ma donate. This is the line to use. Matuma kui. But where have you sent it? Mama. So hapa vima voucher vikudi ya cheva ikokota ndrama. Erorwanya. There's a lady who wanted to pay. I don't know if it's a lady. Yeah. If you wish to join our online classes. Mayo. Watumeka ya malasha kuseni mailo. Monday, if you sent, then I'll receive the notification. Hapa nowadays vantu vanaikutaya ndrama zikukonga. Oh, it's Deborah. Vantu vanaikutaya ndrama hapa zikukonga. Udacheka bwera ka message. Story time. There was a time I received a what? A 900. Yeah. I need to eat something. My stomach is start making some sound. My stomach cramps. Like I'm wanting visual. God dear says. Yeah, there's a person who sent me 600 to 600, I remember. So after too many, not fast mobile money. Short mobile money. Kwendo chose nati hapa nzao za chekuti bosano na diamo kudara zari. Nishiniri block. Nishiniri block. Matuma yamotiri tembekeza yamukutumtume. No, I didn't even turn flight mode. Nesamba chatu wakatuma nzachita explain. Nishiniri block. Ndemwena tamanjira. Nishinjara ni koma ja time. Ndemwena ndea na gula muvu kudi. Nati nkwate kwa energy ya kukangana na wena. Na asira muna inangu. Kumazulo. That's when I received a message to say, no, we sent that money, that shana ye shoot. Nashimane zufanika kuti ikatengeka iende direct kwinango. Ndewe nangenera mai na pressure nesi na plan. So 10. Seems like people are not receiving. Maybe it's network, because nafikiriza matenga. 10 pitirizo. Fikokora fila ruvana. Question number 11 mungwanga. Let's dancer, guys. Let's dance. Guys, can you hear me? Iwa, can you hear me? Okay. 11A is saying town A and B are on the longitude. Town A and B are on the longitude 75 degrees west and 45 degrees east, respectively. Uyafika. Yafika ya mwaziona. 10. We are from A and B. So what was that? A is 75 degrees west. Tukonka ilipa mwamba. B is 45 degrees east. I can't see in. Hope nae 10. Menga inangala poklia 10. Na pasmuona. Find the time difference between these towns. Yo. Ndare no kulala. I'll finish the questions tomorrow because is that the bunch I've sent? Okay, the boy. At West. Oh no, ja. So 75 degrees west, 45 degrees east. Maparo, why is it that I didn't receive the notification, mami? Ndiwe mwazuona? Hi, Maparo. Because listen, me, I'm cool with this. I've ended on question number 11, right? I'll just send the remaining questions, videos to my students. Vara. You see? 3 weeks before the exam, just end teaching kuma 23 hours. You come back. Wabwa my manji shekaina. Wazadi popete tungombera mpepos. I'm ending with this. Question number 11. The rest, question 12, 13 up to 23. The videos are already there. I was just sent to my students. So, ladies and gentlemen, they're asking us to find the time difference between these two towns. So first thing first, we are going to find the difference in their longitudes. Inangwedi west, Inangwedi east. So what we do? We add the two. So it's Ankara 75 plus 45, which will give us what? 120. 10, 0. That one is 11, so 120. So 120 degrees, if 15 degrees is equal to 1 hour, now 120 degrees is equal to how many hours? So we say 15 times x is 15x. Ma 15 muri 120 alimwe ngati. Ma 15 muri 120 alimwe nga. Kamba 8. 10 to concave kamba 8. 15 times 8. 40. 0 remainder 4. What did I post on my status for my sister to write at? Wow, thank God. I am Kuruanga. 8 hours. My students, hello, my online students. Mara mfuna vokudia mungodira na mpepo nazurira na vimpepo kambaka mpepo. I need to eat to take something warm. Hello, my junior student from WhatsApp. Can I send I'll end the live, okay? I'll send the remaining videos today before I go to bed. That's another Saka number. That's another advantage of joining the group. So I'm maker. Timuzan join on. Then I'll tell you which year we're going to discuss tomorrow. My students, so if you're in the group, you're safe. I will send the videos. You can watch them anytime tomorrow. I think I'll start from the same. I'll start with the recording. I'll join tomorrow. Okay tomorrow then. You guys, do you realize how many days has remained? Let me even count days for you. I want to never too comfortable. Now I'm over too comfortable for the exam. Any DM, Maramuda, what me I'm saying? How you eat in a better TV? You pay shows. You pay shows. How many days? How many days till Maratinka exactly, if you're counting including my weekends, in exactly 1 month before the exams. Exactly 4 weeks before exams. You are making okay. 10th July. It's at 1 days. In better TV. Yes, 31 days. From 9 June to checking at 31 days. Got some of weekends. Minus Saturday and Sunday, which is 8. 22 days. Okay, James, use the same line to WhatsApp me, you join. Ah.